Today's video is for everyone. It doesn't matter if you have been into cryptocurrency for 10 years or 10 seconds. It doesn't matter whether you have been holding Bitcoin for years or not. In this video, I will share 5 ways with you that you can earn huge amounts of money from NFTs as a beginner. You have been hearing NFT this and NFT that, but no more. From here on, you will be the one boasting about his NFT collection, creating and selling NFTs. So let's dive into the video, and the first method we have is creating and selling NFTs. It is not as complex and difficult as the internet has made it out to be. Rather, the process is quite simple. As NFTs can be any digital asset, any form of digital data, so you can make NFTs out of digital art, music, audio, video, or even a picture. For example, here is a drawing. You can color it in if you want, and we have our digital art. Let's further break the process into steps. Step 1. Go to OpenSea.io. OpenSea is the best NFT marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs. There are other options like Mintable and Rarible. Step 2. Click on the Create button in the top right corner and you will be redirected to another page. Step 3. Connect your crypto wallet. In this case, it will be an Ethereum-based wallet. I would recommend you to get MetaMask as it is the best in the competition. When you connect your wallet to your account, you will be redirected to another web page. Step 4. On the My Collections tab, click on the Create button. Step 5. Put in your artwork name and description, then click on Add New Item. Step 6. When you click on the Add button, it will ask you to sign, after which you will be redirected to a web page. Here, you can upload your NFTs, let's say the house we drew earlier. Step 7. You can also increase the authenticity and uniqueness of your NFTs by adding traits and characteristics. Step 8. Click on Create and confirm the NFT. You will need to pay a miner's fee called the gas fee. The wallet you have connected with the OpenSea account will be used to pay this gas fee. And just like that, with 8 simple steps, you now have created your own NFT, ready to be purchased by other collectors. It all depends on your creative juice, and you could be earning millions of dollars just by creating and selling NFTs. Welcome to NFT Hub, where we regularly make interesting videos about crypto and the NFT world. Make sure to watch the full video as there are some free methods in the end by which you can earn money off of NFTs. Buying and selling NFTs. If you are not confident in your art or you want to take it a little easier, I have something different for you. Instead of creating and selling NFTs, why don't you buy and then sell NFTs? You will just buy other people's NFTs and sell them with interest. Let us cover the buying side first. So, how to buy NFTs? To make it easier for you, I will break the process into steps. Step 1. Go to OpenSea.io on any browser. Step 2. Click on Explore from the top and you will be redirected to the product page. Step 3. Explore the NFTs, choose the one that you like and will invest in and click on it. Step 4. Click on Buy Now. Step 5. You will be asked to connect a crypto wallet Ethereum based. For that, make an account on MetaMask and connect MetaMask with OpenSea. Step 6. Click on Checkout and confirm the purchase. And there you go, you have bought an NFT using just 6 simple steps. And then you can sell the same NFT on OpenSea using the same steps I mentioned in creating NFTs. Keep in mind that trading NFTs is not easy. There are a lot of factors that determine the success of an NFT project, and you will need to properly research on these. You also need to realize that all NFTs are not the same. Some are worth millions, while others aren't even worth a penny. You need to have a keen eye for good art and the NFT projects that have a future. The easy and free method to earn money from NFTs as a beginner is at the end of the video, so stick around till the end. Rent out your NFTs. Let's say that you have a bunch of NFTs in your collection that are not being used and you don't want to sell them. There is a possible way for you to make a good passive income from these NFTs, and that is by renting out these NFTs. There are many platforms where you can rent your NFTs, like NFT. All of this lending and borrowing is possible due to smart contracts. Another method is renting out NFTs in games. The new and interesting NFT games coming out have a concept of scholarships. With a scholarship, one can play these games by borrowing NFTs from others and not actually owning them. And you can be the one lending out NFTs to players or scholars, and you will get some percentage of their earnings. NFT Royalties. NFTs have a concept of royalty where you can earn money whenever your NFTs change hands on the secondary market. NFT royalties have a huge potential for passive income. Let's say that you set up a royalty of 10% on your NFT and you sold it. Now, whenever your NFT gets sold again and again, you will receive 10% of the amount each time. Staking NFTs. Staking is a really profitable method of earning passive income from NFTs and crypto. Just like with cryptocurrency, NFTs can be staked to earn rewards. In simple words, staking means locking away your digital assets in a DeFi protocol with the help of smart contracts. As a result, you get to generate yield off of this locked asset. There are many platforms that you can use to stake your own NFTs and earn potential passive income from them. You can use Kira Network, Only One, or NFTX for staking NFTs. NFT Gaming. The easiest way for a beginner to make money from NFTs is through play-to-earn games. Nothing can get easier than playing a bunch of games and earning $50 to $100 per day. NFT-based video games allow you to buy and sell in-game items, characters, land, or even abilities as NFTs. Mostly these NFT games are competitive games where you compete with other online players. The winner receives rewards which he can redeem for the in-game currency, which then can be converted into dollars. The only downfall of this method is temporary, and the reason is that there are very few NFT games right now. However, seeing the potential and the hype of NFTs, you will definitely see more interesting games in the near future. You need to invest in NFTs to play NFT games. For instance, you need to buy an NFT called Pega to play the Pegaxi game. However, there is a way around it. With the concept of scholarships, you can play NFTs for free. The basic concept is that you can borrow the NFTs required to play a game from someone willing to lend them. You play the game and earn money from it, and you give some percentage of the earnings to the person you borrowed the NFTs from. Some of the most efficient and fun play-to-earn games right now are number 1, Axie Infinity, number 2, PegXE, number 3, Crypto Blades, number 4, Champions Ascension, number 5, Berserk. If you want to go for play-to-earn NFT games to earn money, watch our video on it. We have covered each game in detail. You will know the potential earnings from each game and how the game works. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments section. If you genuinely found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button. Or check out our video about NFT games being the future of the gaming industry. That's it for today. See you in the next one.